I will show you one demo. So this is basically solid CMS. So this is a CMS application, mostly you are used for the domain like educational, okay, so like college, institute, and but for anything you may use this, okay, do use this purpose. So it have a multiple widgets, multiple things which you may use for your application, okay. It have also the backend CMS, okay. So I will also show you the demo of this, okay, in this video. So this is the front end. After then I will show you the back end, then after then I will show you the coding structure, okay. So first off, we start the demo of our front end application. First thing I will told you in a single phase, the all things are changeable in this application, okay. So the now this theme, basically this is an important thing. This theme I have purchased from a theme forest, okay, and I have single license, I have used that, okay. So but when you purchase my application, you should purchase from a theme forest, okay. Also I will provide you the link of this theme, okay. So let's start our video, okay. So this is the menu bar, fully changeable, this menu bar, okay. These things are also changeable. This is our slider, all things are changeable. This, okay, you may create multiple slides here, okay. Why choose us? This widget you may change, this widget about us, this background picture, the video you may change this, okay. So this is courses, you may create multiple courses. These things are changeable. So the upcoming events you may change that. The gallery, this is albums gallery, you may change this, floating this, okay. These are teachers, you may change the teachers. The testimonials, you may create multiple testimonials. Blogs, you may create multiple, okay. So this is just for ad. I will show you how to modify this also. These all things are changeable, okay. This comes from blog automatically when you create, okay. So this is social links also dynamic, these things also dynamic. Can't we change this footer in a lower license, okay. We have different price plan where you may change that. Right now we see the about us page. This is the about us page, okay. Now is our courses page, admissions. This is form, there is a 3-step form, okay. Gallery, FAQ, frequently asked question, okay. You may add multiples. Why choose us, okay, and contact us, okay. You may submit query, change your location, okay, like this, okay. This was a front end, our front end. This is our login page. Now we start our backend demo. This is login page. Also you may change this backend picture, okay. This is our dashboard, okay. This is a multilingual application, but right now we are using only English here, okay. The charts are already binded. This is fully dynamic thing, okay. But in this application we are not use chart, but only for widget. I will show you for in future version, okay. These all are counters which thing we are having in our application. So this is our roles and users, okay. This is the application base. Basically you may create multiple roles and multiple users and assign to those users and create menus, these menus, okay, and menu assignment, which user have which menu assign, rewrite options you may change here, okay. Now is widgets. This is a page widget which I was show you in the front end. The why choosers, the template, the price plan, our teacher, mean everything, or you may create new or modify and delete that, right? Okay, this is FAQ. Okay, so this is the testimonials, tags. Right now I have not created new tag. This award, this is I have not used in this application. Okay, price box also we are not used this application in front end. In the back end having a option, because in future we will launch that. Okay, events you already shown in our front end. Okay, so home about, you may change the home about this thing. This thing you may change from here. Okay, menu, background, and this video. Okay, so further is page headline. This is a page wise headlines. Okay, these headlines basically, this one, you may also change this. Okay, also you may change the URL of that. Okay, active section. Okay, so which section you want to display, like we remove the slider. Okay, if we load the front end, the slider will not come. Okay, so like that you may hide and show the section part. Okay, further is the page builder. This is the most important thing. Okay, you may create multiple pages and assign those pages in this menu bar. Okay, and you have a theme, you may choose the coding part from theme, and just like this you may going to edit, you may paste that coding part here, or that automatically shown here, and also you may change the data of that. Okay, so this is fully dynamic. Okay, so this is our slider. Right now we are use only single slider. This is slider items like slider pictures and text, etc. Okay, so this is front menu bar. This menu bar you may change, add new links. Okay, here basically you may add any other link also, but if you want to create internally new page, suppose you have created about us, so about us page or this menu bar menu URL should be same. Okay, that will be mapped within a backend, automatically track that and open that. Okay, so the further is our the media. There you may upload multiple pictures and anything. So this is our gallery. Here you may create album, and after then album pictures from here. Okay, and further is the video gallery. Right now we are not using a front end video gallery, but in future we will. Okay, so this is contact us. This is contact us detail, which you were seeing the map like that, etc. Okay, so you may change from here. Okay, so the contact us inquiries or comes here. Okay. The next is setting part. This is application setting. You may change the application setting, application theme, footer logo, front end logo, website logo, alright received, but can't be changed it in a lower version. Okay, when you contact us for purchase, I will told you. Okay, so next is login background picture. This thing you may change your application. Okay, next is general setting. In a general setting we are use the two things here, contact us and email for our for this changes. Okay, next is next one, social links. There you may create the social link that will automatically comes here. Okay, the further is the automation form. when the someone is submit admission form, automatically admissions or comes here. Payment I have not used in this application. The blog you were seen, you may create multiple blogs post here. Okay. Next is notes board. We are not currently use the notes board in this application. Okay, so this was a demo of our whole application. Okay, so now I show you the coding part. Okay, coding part. This is fully layered architecture. So these are all are our controllers models, domain models. These are our mapping, migration, context. Okay, so repository pattern I have used here, repository and further all services. Okay, and services are called in further our web part, API or anything where you want. So this is our backend application. The backend all controllers are here. The backend all views are here. Okay, so the further is front end application. The front end application controllers and views, the all things which we are using. So basically this application created in ASP.NET Core 2.2. okay, so with MS SQL database. So if you really interested in my application, you may contact us and purchase that. I will quote you the price of the published application if you want. Okay, so we have 3 or 4 plans. Okay, so if you want published application, so we will quote some less amount. Okay, if you want with source code, okay, so that is a different price plans. Okay, if you want so I was told you can't change my footer signature. Okay, this signature, basically footer signature, you can't change it. Okay, so if you want to change that, so that have different plans. Okay, so you may use this application and be quick and be smart. So thanks for watching.